Hey guys, so just finished rebuilding the carburetor in this thing. Had to fix the float, put a stack on it, very cheap, ugly stack. Gonna do the first startup. Hopefully this thing will run nicely. Before it barely ran. It's got the 11 horse on her. This thing's been restored. Hold on, just put the camera down. Completely restored, taken all apart and repainted. So, oh, you got choke?
Oh my god. Stupid thing, fucking ancient.
Fuck, crappy tire. Crappy tire. It's got speed! Fuck, that thing's fast! Might need some carb tuning. Yeah, a little update on torque here. Made these custom little tabs here so I can bolt down the hood. Yeah, little update. Might go for a ride later on tonight, so stay tuned. Oh, the clean restored tractor. Meat in the mud. Torque, which I almost just flipped. Pretty good for a stock tractor. Oh, the poor girl. Look at that. You got mud on her bed. Oh, shit.
That wasn't too bad.
That was pretty good. I'm surprised. Yeah. All stock except for a pulley swap. Pretty damn good. Yeah, we'll head